camera. We're gonna do everything on our phones.
I'm Carla Caprali. I'm an artist, animator, and filmmaker. I'm from Brazil, and I've been living in Miami, Florida for 22 years now.
I'm a designer. I also teach architecture at FIU, Florida International University.
My name is Sofia Cabral. My mother and I are collaborating to create a series of workshops to teach filmmaking, set designing, script writing, and storytelling. And today's our first day.
The goal is to get exposure to something new and fun, and also to build community.
I got an email from Vizcaya, which I don't always look at in depth, and just so happens this week I looked at it and I saw this really interesting piece on the Kitchen and learning how to make an animated short film. And I went home to tell my wife that I'm going to be busy the next 4 weeks because I'm taking a short animation film. She thought I was crazy because this is not the kind of thing I usually do. But I'm really excited I came. I didn't know anybody here.
I love stop motion animation. I thought it was a really cool project that everybody gets to work on together.
We're both FIU instructors.
Yeah.
We always ask our students create videos about themselves and their lives, and we've never actually done it ourselves. And so we want to use it as part of our curriculum to show the stories in stop motion, give them a chance to see that we are also people and go through the same kind of stress and things, but that we can mitigate it with groups.
Yeah, show them that it is possible to get the work done.
Necesitamos explorar las cosas que tenemos interiormente, podemos aprender y realmente estoy bien agradecida que tengan estos programas porque así sabemos que hay gente que le interesa el arte.
I just wanted to meet people, and I've seen Vizcaya is all about building community. And so I wanted to come here and meet people who kind of share my interests and also want to be storytellers.
Today, I will be teaching script writing and storyboarding.
So my favorite animation movie is Coraline. I remember watching it with my grandmother when I was younger, and I remember being terrified. But the scenes of the movie and the way that the ground and the dirt and all of those textures looked on the movie always stayed with me. And textures and richness of textures is something that I admire and I aim to bring to these workshops to make our set.
Usually when you sign up for any kind of workshop or event, you're nervous that you have imposter syndrome, you're the least prepared in the room, and it's great to see other people, one, we all feel that anxious, and two, everyone's very encouraging and kind, and you learn a lot about where they come from, who they are, and how it just contributes to the overall creative process.
We have the writers team, we have storyboarders,
I expect that people will just free themselves, just be very free in this workshop. It's very experimental as for them as it's for me. And I think we are going to find out a lot of ways to do things together.
We had a little bit of creativity from everybody, made a nice story, and we all had to do a little kind of stick figure for our storyboard, and we all had enough art talent to do some stick figures that turned out really nice.
I think storytelling is so important. It connects with people in a way that another medium doesn't. When you put everything together, all the different elements together, it creates a whole world that actually connects with people.